This is how to turn off the Google Meet audio on your iPad. If you're new here on Foxtecc, if it's your first time on this channel, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials which I believe you're going to benefit from. So, of course, get inside your Meet, make sure you are a part of a meeting like you have joined already. And the point is that you can play around with these sound options in various different ways. If you don't want yourself to be heard by other people, you can disable the microphone at the bottom, right, like so, and the microphone icon turns red, and it also has the strike through icon, so you can see that people cannot hear you right now. So that's kind of how you can turn off the audio in that sense. However, you also have the audio button in the top right corner, which basically controls the audio of some other things within the, your iPad, like the other people and the conversation of others in the meeting. So you can also just bump up the volume or, switch to a different output. So for example, you want to use the AirPods instead of the built-in speakers. So that's how you can use it. One more thing about the audio is also when you are sharing your screen by tapping on the button with the arrow like so, you similarly get to decide whether you also want to share the device's audio or not. So if you are sharing or screen mirroring your literal screen to the meeting, you can decide if the device's audio is also going to be part of that or if it's going to be just like muted. So that's another way to turn off the audio inside of the Google Meet. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something else, something very specific going on in your case, let me know about it below. It's possible I already made a video about it or that I will. So let me know about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.